Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna make a stir-fry collard green. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna pick the collard greens from my garden. And slice into thin ribbons. Always use a very sharp knife. Close your fingers and place behind the blade to prevent you to cut them. I'm gonna put crushed garlic clove, olive oil, and heat. The collard greens is sliced into thin ribbons. Add cooking salt. And stir fry. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!